Hi, I'm Sarah Clayton with the K Grant Group. I'm here to show you my new listing in Tierra Norte, Peoria. It is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, just over 2,800 square feet. So let's go take a look. Right over here, we have our master bedroom. On the right is a little sitting nook or office area, however you choose to present it. And then right over here, we have our large master suite. Has access straight to the backyard and a very good sized master bathroom with 2 sinks, a separated bath and shower. Okay, if you want to just follow me back out here, we have a beautiful large separated family room, as well as a formal dining over here. And here we have our kitchen, huge island counter space. And then right over here to the left, we have a separated laundry that leads out to the garage. Here we have our living room connected to the kitchen. It has its own fireplace as well. And then a second formal dining area. There's a split floor plan, so back here we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. So if you want to take a look. This bathroom also has separate access to the backyard. Again, my name is Sarah Clayton with the K Grant Group, and if you have any questions about this property, go ahead and send me a message or give me a call.